Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that there are two numbers and one of the number is 48. So the smaller number is 48. We are also given the HCF, highest common factor, 24. So our objective now is to find the larger number. So I will tap on prime factorization for this particular problem that we are trying to solve here. Okay, so I'm going to express 48 as its prime factors, and that will be, so 48 will be equals to, if you want you can do the working at the side to list out the prime factorization. So 48 can be divided by 2, 24 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 3, and these are the prime factors of 48. Okay, so 48 is equals to okay. Then also actually, since we are given that the HCF is 24, later on you will see me the larger number I don't know yet but you will see me writing this down. HCF is equals to 24, and 24 actually, if you do your working again at the side, you would actually get 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, so this is important. The very notion that the C represents common means that whatever factors that is currently found in the common factor, it must be found in both 48 and the larger number. 2 must be found in both of them. 2 must be found in both of them. 3 must be found in both of them. So therefore, this is the base already. However, this will give me 24, the larger number. And 48 is the smaller number. This means that the larger number must be bigger than 48. So I repeat, the larger number must be bigger than 48. So we can start to introduce a number here already. Okay, and this number must be prime factor okay. So I start to look at the first few prime number that I can test. Two, 3, 5, 7, and so on and so forth, because they want the smallest, right? I tried 2, but I realized that if I try 2, the larger number will become 48, but I need to make sure that it is bigger than 48. So 2 is not a good idea. I move on to 3. And when I do that, I get a number that is bigger than, I satisfy this, bigger than 48. I also got a, make sure that the HCF is 24. And therefore, final answer, the larger number is equals to 72. we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.